Jonathan Javed or Nagin Fatma, anyone is here, please raise your hand. If anyone from both, thank you, Nagin Fatma. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
And can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. We will start in 1 minute, and you guys know very well about the instructions. On one device you can see the question, and on the other device you have to give the answers. You have 20 seconds for each question, and you have to take the screenshot in the last to send your CR so we can cross verify the result, and also CR can compile your marks. So please take the screenshot in the last. We are going to start. I hope everyone is here who just want to give this quiz. Good luck everyone for this quiz, and the students who are going to take tomorrow online exam, good luck. My prayers are with them. Just try to understand the question, break the question, and then solve it. Don't be in hurry, don't think much about internet, about electricity and any other problems. Think positive and everything will be good. If you will think negative, then you can, may I don't wish that, but maybe you can have these problems. And if you will think properly, positively, everything will be good. There should be substitutes. You have one extra cell phone or laptop from your brother, sister, neighbor, friend, uncle, mother, father, anyone. So there should be a backup. You should charge your cell phone, you should charge your laptop. There should be internet connection on your mobile and also in your home, or maybe you can borrow a USB device from your friend for the exam. So solve your problem, because you all are very intelligent guys. So please solve your problems, and there should be substitutes. There should be no excuse for that. If there is electricity issues, charge your laptops, charge your cell phones, charge your UPS or anything, any substitute you should have for your exam. Good luck everyone. I'm going to start it. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amna Mohsin, your last quiz was very great. Very good, beta. Okay, we will have the code soon, and everyone has to enter the code. CR and GR, please send the code in the respective groups. So if someone join us late, he or she can use the code 906451. 906451 9 0 6 4 5 1 9 0 6 4 5 1. Waiting for players. And okay, Jonathan, Javed, Aksa, Zunaira, Khansa, Najma, Takshal, Nageen, Aisha Aslam, Mansoor, Usman, Aisha Tabassum, Nimra, Maryam, Muntaha, Almas, Basit Ali, Yusuf Jamal, Mubin Shah with 3E. Okay, Komal Arshad. I think everyone just join it. So I'm going to start it. Good luck everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have 25 questions today. The topic is pedigree. 3, 2, 1. Question number 1 is, pedigrees is a chart display mutational relationship, ancestral relationship, phenotypic relationship, family relationships. Okay, 18 students just gave the right answer. Very good. And the scoreboard is like Aisha Tabassum, very good on the top, followed by Soha, Najma, Amna Mohsin, and Jonathan. Good to see you, Amna Mohsin, again in the scoreboard. Question number 2 is, pedigree has molecular data, test results, GWAS information, all of the above. 15 students gave the right answer. Very good. And the scoreboard is like Fatma Noreen, very good on the top, followed by Amna Mohsin, Zunaira, Aisha Aslam, and Nagin Fatma. Next question is, a pedigree consists of lines that connect families, disorders, shapes, ancestors. 17 student gave the right answer. 9 student thought that it is families. No, lines didn't connect the families. Line connects the shapes. So the scoreboard is Fatma Noreen is still on the top, followed by Nagin and Jonathan Javed, Aksa and Amna Mohsin. Very good. Tanavi Shajaz, if you have any question, please ask in group and someone will respond you because I cannot stop here. Next question is, Arabic numericals indicate offsprings, individuals, parents, or mutations. So 22 students gave the right answer. Very good. If anyone wants the game code is 906451 9 0 6 4 5 1. Okay, the next question is, scoreboard is like Nagin Fatma on the top, followed by Fatima Noreen. Tough competition. Jonathan Javed is also on the list, followed by Amna Mohsin and Aksa. Aksa Ghias, maybe. I remember Aksa Ghias. We have two Aksa in the class. I don't remember. Okay, next question is question number 5. Pedigree is a tool for studying human inherited diseases, mutations, family relationship, GWAS. 16 students gave the right answer. However, 10 students thought it's family relationship. Okay, no worries. I hope scoreboard will disturb. Okay, Jonathan is on the top, followed by Aksa, Nagin, Fatma on the third slot, Fatma Noreen, and Amna Mohsin. Next question, question number 6 is, dash work well for organisms having large numbers of offsprings. Punnett squares, R square, regression analysis, ANOVA. This ANOVA includes one way and two way, both the ANOVAs. And we have 18 right answer here. Very good. And scoreboard is like same. No one want to lose his or her position. 7th question, colored shapes indicate individuals express allele, gene, trait, expression. Tricky question. Last moment, students just tabbing the answer. And only 8 students gave the right answer. And scoreboard is Jonathan still top, followed by Aksa, Aisha Aslam, Nagin, and Manzoor. Good to see you, Manzoor, in the board. And sad to lose Amna Mohsin from the board. Question number 8 is, half-filled shapes are known as mutated, carriers, healthy, affected. Half-filled shapes. One student just tapped the mutated one and remaining all just gave the right answer. Scoreboard, yes. Aqsa at last beat Jonathan Javed and followed by Aisha Aslam, Nagin Fatma and Manzoor Hussain. Nagin just step up from the three more students. Question number 9 is alternative form of a gene is allele, chromosome, DNA, gene function. Okay, 27 students gave the right answer and scoreboard is same. Good to see many students struggling very hard in this semester as compared to last semester. Question number 10 is Tasha's is autosomal recessive, autosomal dominant, X-linked recessive, X-linked dominant. It's a disease, so you have to choose. 21 is on the right slot, very good. And scoreboard, Aksa is on the second number. Maybe she gave, okay, she just tabbed in very last moments, followed by Nagin, Manzoor, and Almas. Jonathan is on the top. Question number 11, Huntington's disease is autosomal recessive, autosomal dominant, X-linked recessive, X-linked dominant. 22 is on the right one. And scoreboard, then we lost Nagin from the scoreboard, and good to see you, Amna Mohsin, again in the scoreboard. Question number 12, trait often skips generations in autosomal recessive pedigree, autosomal dominant pedigree, X-linked recessive pedigree, X-linked dominant pedigree. 20 students gave the right answer and scoreboard still same and Nagin just beat Amna Mohsin. Question number 13 is if a female has a mitochondrial trait dash inherited sons, daughters, all offsprings, mutated offsprings. 15 students gave the right answer and 9 students thought it's sons only. And scoreboard disturbs. Aksa is again on the top, followed by Jonathan, Almas, Manzoor, and Aisha Tabassum. Question number 14 is children of R into R, small r have dash chances of being RR. 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 1. Only 7 students gave the right answer. 9 students thought it's 1 by 3 and 8 students thought it's 2 by 3. It's half. So scoreboard is Manzoor is on the second slot. Very good. Aksa still on the top and Almas and Nagin are also in the board. Question number 15 is alleles may come into the pedigree from dash sources. 2, 3, 1, 4. Very good. 22 students just gave the right answer and scoreboard same. Aksa don't want to lose her first position. Question number 16 is okay. I think it's repetition. Okay, maybe it's a piece of gift for all of you. If you remember last time what was the right answer. Okay, again we have 16 on the wrong slot. I like this answer. It will disturb the board, I think. Okay, Jonathan again on the top, followed by Almas. Very good. Aksa on the third slot, Manzoor and Aisha Tabassum. There is no Nagin and Amna Mohsin. Albinism is autosomal recessive, X-linked dominant, autosomal dominant, X-linked recessive. $15 on the right one, and the board is almost same. Jonathan followed by Aksa, Manzoor, Almas, and Nagin again in the board. Where is Amna Mohsin? Question number 18 is Huntington's disease is, I think it's again, okay, maybe. I don't remember. Good luck. X-linked dominant, autosomal recessive, X-linked recessive, autosomal dominant. 17 on the right one, and the board is again Amna Mohsin in the board. Very good. Question number 19. Color blindness is X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive, autosomal recessive, Y-linked. Eleven students gave the right answer, and scoreboard almost same. Just question number 20 is hypophosphatemia is autosomal recessive, X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive, or Y-linked. Only 16 students gave the right answer, and scoreboard is Aksa again on the top, followed by Jonathan, Almas, Amna Mohsin, and Manzoor Hussain. Very good, Manzoor Hussain. Question number 21. Sickle cell anemia is X-linked recessive, autosomal recessive pedigree, X-linked dominant pedigree, or autosomal recessive pedigree. Only 10 students gave the right answer. There was a clue in this answer, only pedigree with one option, not with other three. So maybe you can guess it, however you didn't. Scoreboard still same. No one want to lose his or her position. 22nd number question. Trait is common in X-linked dominant pedigree, autosomal recessive, Y-linked, autosomal dominant. Maybe this time everyone just got the clue. Scoreboard is Jonathan again on the top, followed by Almas Anwar, followed by Aksa, Amna Mohsin, and Manzoor Hussain. Question number 23rd. Both genders equally affected in autosomal dominant pedigree, X-linked recessive pedigree, X-linked dominant pedigree, or autosomal recessive pedigree. Ten students gave the right answer, and 10 students gave the wrong answer. Scoreboard still same. Then who is giving the wrong answers? Okay, we have second last question. If a female has a mitochondrial trait, both genders affected, sons affected, daughters affected, mutated affected. I think there is a repetition of concept in this question again. 19 is on the right slot. Last question we have after that. Scoreboard, Nagin is in the board again with Amna Mohsin, Aksa, Almas, and Jonathan. Good luck, everyone. After that, please take the screenshot. Don't forget it. Last question. The father's traits are passed to all daughters, all sons, both genders, mutated ones. Everyone, please take the screenshot after that. Don't forget to take the screenshot. Okay, only 16 students. I hope scoreboard will not disturb much. Good luck, everyone. We are going towards podium. And on the third slot, 20 answers good with from 25 Almas Anwar. 20 answer good from Amna Mohsin on the second slot, and the top slot 22 answers with right answer Johnson Javed. Good luck. And Aksa Riaz and Nagin Fatma runner up. Aksa Riaz, you fight very well. You hold the top position for a long time. However, in the last, Jonathan just take it, and Amna Mohsin on the second slot. Very good, Amna Mohsin. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Good luck again for your tomorrow exam, and be confident, and the floor will be yours. Don't worry. Thank you, everyone.